So this is a chart of Bitcoin, and you can see there is a resistance, ऊपर एक रेजिस्टेंस है, और अगर तो भी ये ब्रेक करता है तो ऊपर 200 ऐसे में बेसिकली मीडियम टर्म में जो है ये डाउन ट्रेंडिंग है। बट देखना ये कि ये रेजिस्टेंस तक आता है या नहीं आता। इफ़ इट resist comes to near resistance, you should short it and keep a stop loss about 66,500, and the target will be 65,900, means 66,000 you can, to be precise. So this is the support, so you should short it. You can short it somewhere here also, you can short it here also. And the stop loss at here. Mainly it is you know so this is the basically risk to reward ratio in this trade. Here if you see, so this is the risk to reward ratio. If you take short here on here, so this is your SL, and this is going to be your target. Let's see if the target hits or not. But yes, it's falling. Why we are shorting here? Because if you see BTC on the daily chart or maybe hourly chart, it is in downtrend. Okay, so in the medium to long term, medium term we can say medium term is a bearish, downtrending. That's why it's falling, and we are going to short it here. So we are shorting here. So let's see if it hits the target. Basically, whenever you are taking any trade, you need to define your SL, and when the SL is defined, stick to that, and keep trailing your SL. Means if your target is hit, so don't book it until it reverses. So keep trailing your SL, uh, and let it fall below your targets also. Let it fall. Okay, so it's falling. We shorted it at around 66,323, and now it's falling, and we are waiting for this price, means 66,200. We are waiting this 66,200 to be hit. uh, An- Anshuman, what do you want to play? You are saying I would like to play a strat. What is that? What is strat? Please comment. So basically, it's going to break this low. If it breaks this low, 66,200, we will surely be seeing this target. I'm raising this target till 66,000. Okay, so 66. Okay, support is broken. Support has been taken by the price, and let's see if it falls up to the level of 66,000. And if it breaks and holds for around 5 minutes below this support, you need to trail your SL at the shorting price. Okay, so if you trail your SL to the shorting price, if it goes upside, there will be no loss and no profit, but you will be out of the trade, uh, i- despite being wrong. Okay, so trail your until it sustain below this support for around 5 minutes. You need to trail your SL. So this is a short trade. uh, I am zom acha Omkar ji, this is a trade, this is a short trade at 66,300, and the stop loss is at around 66,500, and the target is 66,000. Let's see if it hits or not. We are waiting for the target to hit, and let's see if it comes. It's reversing from the support. So what I'm telling you, just to trail your SL at your short price, so that if it reverses, there will be no loss. Okay. Otherwise you are at the profit now. This is BTC. Okay, let me type here. This is BTC. BTC. Okay, so this is BTC. Trailing SL is hit. Okay, so this is the benefit of the trailing SL. When you were in the profit and it was at the support, if it is not taken out, you are out of the trade without any loss. Okay, so this is the benefit of trailing SL. So let's see if it comes down below this support. So next short trade will be at will be at below 66,200. If it comes down below that and sustain there for around 5 minutes, we'll be shorting it again, and for the target, for the lower targets. But yes, the target will be the same at this support. If it comes down till that till 66,000, and if we short it below 66,150, then we'll be waiting for the lower targets. And if the target comes, what we'll be doing, will be trailing our SL only. Okay, so this is the concept of trailing SL. What I'm trying to teach you here is the trailing SL. So the benefits of the trailing SL. Okay, so this asset is BTC. No, Omkar, this is not Nifty, because Nifty is closed today. And and this is 442 Nifty. You can trade till 3:30 only. And today is holiday in Indian market. That is why this is not Nifty. This is BTC, and BTC is traded 24/7 hour. So we are learning this. We are not trading. We are learning. Okay, through this through this chart, we are learning. We are trying to learn how to trail SL, how to use price action to execute the trade. Means if I tell you that I'll not be going long in this trade, because 200 SMA is above the price. 200, if the 200 SMA is above the price, it means that the price on the medium term is in the downtrend. And if it is in the downtrend, you are not going to be trading on the long side. Okay, so this is the concept until it breaks any kind of resistance. And if it is breaking this resistance, it doesn't mean it is breaking the resistance, because it's still below 200 SMA. So once it comes above 200 SMA, if you see the whole chart here, if you comes above the 200 SMA, and then only you can go long. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. And if you want to ask any question, so must ask in the comment box, and I'll be answering that. Omka, yes, this is not Nifty. Yes, this is BTC. Okay, so this is the whole chart. Why I'm as taking only short trade, not long trade, because this is below the 200 SMA. So until it goes above the 200 SMA, we'll be shorting only, will not be going long. Okay, So this is the whole concept of the trend following. So it's going upside, so let it go up, and we'll be waiting for the opportunity to come. Once the opportunity is there to go long and the price breaks any kind of resistance, we'll be going long. Many of you will be asking that the price is breaking resistance, why are you not going long? Because this is not the resistance actually. The resistance is this and the price and the 200 SMA. But if you don't want to wait for 67,000, we should at least wait for the 66,700 to be broken. Because if the price breaks this level and goes above the 200 SMA, then only this is going to be in the long the uptrend. So until it breaks 67,435, you can take a little bit entry. You can take the 50% entry on the long side, and if it breaks 67,500, you can go long. You can go long, surely go long, and for the target of 68,324. So let's see if it's going up and above the 200 SMA. This is the 1 minute chart of BTC. So let me zoom it out so that you clearly understand. So this is 200 SMA. You should not short it here, because there is a support become resistance become support here. So at least it should fall and it should come below 66,400 to be shorted. Otherwise, let it go upside. Don't try to trade every move of the market. Just try to wait for the opportunity to come, and when there is an opportunity, just execute the trade, and you will be uh, gaining more than the people who are trading again and again and again. Okay, so in this market, those who wait are paid handsomely. uh, 67,400 is the target, is the resistance to be broken. Because in the downtrend, price makes lower highs and lower lows. So when there is any lower high is broken, then only you can take any kind of long trade, that because this is the confirmation that the price is breaking its trend line and it is reversing. So this is the first indication that the price is uh, breaking the resistance. This is reversing from the downside. That is the first indication. So here there is no indication of the reversal. It is just it's a pullback only. So let it go upside only until it breaks any level, or it sustain for at least 5 minutes above 200 SMA. Then only we'll be going long on this chart of BTC. So here if you see, there is another resistance at 66,882. So if it's broken and the 5 minute is over, we'll be going long here for the target of 66,500 with an SL of 66,423. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So if anyone want to ask any kind of question, you can comment. Or if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video. And on the trading day of Indian market, I'll be sharing the order flow chart here in the live YouTube live. And you can live watch the order flow of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So subscribe our channel to be connected to us with us, and keep watching the order flow so that you get the idea of the orders to be being uh, traded, the Nifty and Bank Nifty. And you can trade very well Nifty, Bank Nifty. I'll be teaching in the live market, so that you get the full-fledged knowledge. Because after the market, if you learn anything, that is just a past. And if you want to learn anything if you are going to learn in the live market, this is the another level of learning. So subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Okay, it's reversing, so that is why I was just asking you to wait for at least 5 minutes. It should sustain for at least 5 minutes, about 200 SMA. If it waits about 200 SMA, sustains about 200 SMA, we'll be going long with the stop loss of 66,350 for a target of 67,500. So let's see if it breaks this or not. Until we are waiting for the opportunity to come, I again and again say that you don't need to trade every move, but you should wait for the opportunity to come. If there is an opportunity, just hit the trade and book the profit. Otherwise, wait for the opportunity to come, because if you go to trade every move will be going against you. Or if you are hitting the rate of 50% in this market, still you won't be earning, because there is a taxes, brokerages, and lots of charges. That's why you should wait for the opportunity. 100 trades profit and the one trade profits are equal, so wait for that one trade you are going to hit, that one perfect trade, and wait for the opportunity. So 5 minutes are over, about 200 SMA, but it still looks that there is some weakness in the chart. So we'll wait for another move above 66,750, then only we'll be going long here. If you have not subscribed our channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video. Avoid when the chart is in the downtrend, avoid long trades. And if you still want to take the long trade, just wait for the for any resistance to be broken. Okay, so if until no resistances are taken out by the price, you just need to wait only. Okay, just wait for the opportunity to come. So here if you see 67,500 is going to be the target until it breaks, once it breaks 66,800. So this has not broken that, and it is coming down below 200 SMA. So here we'll be shorting it with some stop loss and the target. So here if you see, so this is our short position. This short position we are going to take, and the SL is that support, and the target is this one. Okay, so let's see if it comes or not. We have shorted BTC because this has broken 200 SMA again. It means what does it mean? It means that the price is very very weak. It has broken 200 SMA but it has not sustained there for at least 10 minutes. It sustained there for 5 minutes, but it was weak and it is reversing from there. So let's wait for our target or the SL. If it comes down below 66,400, you will be trailing your SL like you trailed in the last trade. Okay, so you'll be trailing your SL to the short price and wait for the target to hit. And once the target is hit, what you need to do is just keep trailing your SL and keep raising your target uh, until your trailed SL is hit. Okay, so you need to keep trailing your SL until your trailed SL is hit, because you never know, and you never know that this is the exact target of the price. So you never know how much price will be falling. So let it fall and keep trailing your SL below your buying price, because trailing SL gives you the security of the profit but you have gained. Okay, so trailing SL gives you the security that you have you know at least you will take this much profit. Okay, so trailed SL assures you that you will take this much profit at least. That is why. And you never know how much price will be falling from here, so you just keep trailing your SL, keep raising your target. So this is the whole concept of trailing SL we are going to learn today. And there are so many ways of trailing SL. There is a parabolic SAR indicator by which you can trail your SL, and there are some dots there on the price, above the price and the below the price. So whenever there are dots, so you need to keep SL on on those dots on the parabolic SAR, and keep trailing according to that particular indicator. So there are some indicators which helps you to trail your SL, but those are only lagging. So what you need to do is you need to use a price action. When if you are using the price action, you know where is the support, where is the resistance, and if you keep your SL according to the support and the resistance, according to the supply and the demand zone, you will be trading very perfectly in this market. So I hope you are understanding. If you don't understand anything, just comment in the comment box. Or and if you have not subscribed the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends and family. So we are short here at 66,584, and we are, price is just holding there because there is 200 SMA here, and we'll be waiting for the price to come down, or to for our SLs are good, because if the SL is hit, your SL, your loss is limited to the SL. Okay, and what you need to do is when the price is going in your favor, you need to keep trailing your SL, because if you're trailing your SL, you are reducing your expected loss and increasing your expected profit. And once the price is below or above the average price in case of shorting, you need to trail your SL below the your target should be trailing your SL below the average price, because of the surety of the profit. Okay, and if you are in the long trade, you need to trail your SL above your average price. Okay, and when the price is trailed above or below your average price, then only you can be sure about your profits. Okay, so you need to understand this concept, and you need to keep practicing this concept again and again and again, just because this is the only mantra of being in the profit in this market. I hope you are understanding. And if you are not understanding, if you want to ask any question, just comment in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button, and hit the like button. So prices sustaining there. Why? Because people are buying this BTC just because of the 200 SMA, but the overall trend is the downtrend, and it is making lower lows and lower highs. So when the price went upside, that was the lower high. So we'll be waiting for the price to make lower low here, or if it goes upside, we'll be finding the long trade. We'll be waiting for the opportunity to come. I hope you're getting my point. And if anything you're not understanding, anything you want to ask, just comment and I'll be answering that. So here you see BTC chart. We have shorted here. Okay, let me just click here. Okay. So our shorting point is this, and we'll be waiting for this green portion price to come in this green portion, so that we gain some profit in this trade. Let's see if it breaks our support, means if it hits our profit, target, or if it hits our SL prices, rounding around that particular price where we have entered. My first goal is to trail my SL. Okay, why am I pushing you towards the trailing SL? Is because trailing SL is the only way to secure your profit on. Okay, so that is why I want you to learn this concept very, very, very well. Because uh, in this market nothing is sure. Means when you have entered the trade, and if the trade is stuck, you stuck, and your mindset is stuck, you are not going to think according to the market. You'll be thinking according to your trade. If you have taken the long trade and the price is in the downtrend, you'll be thinking of long only, you'll be thinking of the price to go up only. So that is why, do not stuck into the trade. If the trade is hitting your SL, just accept it. If the trade is hitting your target, just trail your SL and keep it go in your favor only. It's going your favor, that's okay. Just keep trailing, and keep trailing. Okay, I hope you are understanding. If anything you want to ask, please ask me in the comment box and I'll be answering. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. So this is the trading psychology, and the psychology says, when there is any profit, you just want to grab that very, very soon. You just need to grab that uh, you know fast. But when there is a loss, you don't want to capture it. You just want to wait for the trade to turn into the profit, and it keeps on taking your money in the trade. So that is why there is a concept of SL and the trailing SL. Okay, my voice is clear. Please let me know in the comment box. And if you want to ask anything about the chart, anything about the price action, anything about the trailing SL, or anything about any stock, because today Indian markets are closed, but we can analyze. So if you want to ask anything about any stock, anything about order flow, just ask me in the comment box and I'll be answering that. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, please hit the like button. So price finally ready to come down, and let's see if it hits 66,000 100 or 66,000. It is our target. And when if the price will be coming down to a average price, you very well know, will be averaging, will be trailing RSL. Okay, and there is one more psychology. When there is any profit, when the price is in going in your favor, you don't want to average it, you want to grab that profit only. But when the trade is going against you, you just want to average it. But if the price is going against you, if the trend is against you, and the prices, uh, if you are in the long trade, your price is shorting, and your option or your future are uh, very cheap. You think it's cheap, and you just keep averaging it. Don't average it. Okay, so don't average the losing trade, always average the gaining trade. Okay, this is also another psychology of the trading. And you just need to average it. Actually, I'm just against the averaging of the trade. But still, if you want to average any kind of trade, any kind of you know future option, anything, if you want to average, just average the gaining trade, not the losing trade. Because if it would be a great trade, it would not be in the loss. Okay, So it means just accept your mistake, that you have done the mistake in this trade. Just accept it uh, i- by booking your loss only. Okay, and if it has if it's reversing in your favor, and it's going in your favor with the very confidence, just hold it and just keep averaging it, and keep your SL, keep your trailing SL below your average price of the all the trades, so that, so if your price goes against you, if price goes against you, if price goes towards your SL, if it hits your SL, you don't lose money. I hope you're getting my point. And if you want to ask me anything about this concept, about the psychology of the market, just comment in the comment box, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please please hit the subscribe button. So price is going up towards the resistance, so that is why we have said the SL. If the SL is hit, accept it. If the target is hit, just keep trailing your SL. Okay, this is the only concept of being in the profit in the market, until unless you're stuck in the any trade. And if you are stuck in any trade, just I've told you before, just get out of that trade and keep waiting, wait for the next opportunity to come, and when there is an opportunity, just enter into that particular trade. I hope you're getting my point. Anything you want to ask, just ask in the comment box. I'm taking a 5-minute pause, and we'll be back after 5 minutes. So it is coming towards the resistance, and let's see if it reverses from this resistance, or if it goes towards our SL. So if it goes towards our SL, we'll be accepting the SL. Otherwise we'll be waiting for the target, because it is about 200 SMA. We know this, but it is in the downtrend. It has been making lower lows and lower highs. So let's see what happens. It's going up. If it goes up and it breaks any kind of resistance, any resistance, and it makes a higher high, will be initiating the long trade only. Okay, so in the downtrend, just hit the short trades only, and in the long uptrend, hit the long trend only. So this is the mantra of uh, you know, you know, removing 50%, 50% losing trade from your whole trade book. Because if you go long on the rising price and if you go short on the falling price, you'll be losing for in around 66% of all the trades, and that is not the perfect way to be in the profit in the long run. So I hope you are getting my point. I'll be back in the 5 minutes. So price is coming down, the average price, and it has not broken our SL. So it is coming down. If it breaks 66,563, we'll be waiting for our target, and the target is at 66,000. If it is hit, if it is taken out by the price, we shall be waiting for a trailing SL. So we will trail our SL below average price. It's coming down and it has broken this recent support, and also we will wait for the price to come below 200 SMA. It's coming down. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button, and also give some reaction to this video. If you want to ask anything about BTC, anything about any chart in the Indian market, just ask me in the comment box, and I'll be uh, analyzing that particular stock or index. So right now price is coming down, and I am waiting for the price to stay below 200 SMA for at least 5 minutes, and then only we shall be trailing our SL below our average price. So now it is this trade is in profit, because it is below our entry point, and we'll be waiting. The next support is 66,200. It is must to be broken, it is must to be taken out by the price. If it is taken out, then only we can be sure that the price will be falling more below 200 or 66 900. So if it is broken, and if it is coming down 66,200, if the 66,200 is taken out, another 500 point will open. And if 66,980, or to be precise 66,000, if 66,000 is broken, we shall be trailing our stop loss at 66,350, and then we shall be trailing our SL continuously, so that our we are sure that we are going to book this much of profit today, because sitting also has a cost. So you need to lock in your profit by trailing SL. So I hope it is clear, and if anything you want to ask, please ask in the comment box. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Subscribe to Nifty Bull to for order flow analysis in Nifty and Bank Nifty also. I'll be sharing my order flow chart tomorrow, because tomorrow market will be open and I'll be teaching in the open market. No one teaches in the open market, but I'll be teaching in the open market, and you'll be learning order flow in a good way, and practical way, that how to execute the trade, how to read footprint chart, how to read the orders, and the live analysis of the order flow I'll be sharing with you all. So here we can see price is st- so price is sideways here, but we'll keep an eye on our SL and the target, and we'll be waiting for our SL and the target to be hit. And if the target hits, we'll be trailing our SL, and if the SL is hit, we'll accept it and we'll wait for the next opportunity to come. So I hope it is clear. इसमें से फटाक से recording हो गया. So price is just little bit sideways, and if it enters below 66,400, then we'll hope for the price to fall more uh, towards our target. It's trading near to our average. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and share this video if possible. because from tomorrow I'll be sharing my order flow chart with you, and I'll be teaching each and everything about order flow in the live market. So to learn order flow trade, this is a unique concept of trading. This is a unique concept of price action analysis and the order analysis. Just subscribe to our channel and learn order flow for free in the live market. No one in this market teaches in the live market, but I'll be teaching you in the live market for free through YouTube live. So subscribe to our channel and watch our video, live video from tomorrow. I'll be sharing Nifty chart, and I'll be sharing each and everything about order flow, about how what is order flow, how it is traded, how it is learned, how it is analyzed, what is delta, what is cumulative delta, what is maximum minimum delta, how to compare it with the volume, how to execute trade, what is cumulative delta divergence. Each and everything I'll be teaching you through the YouTube live from tomorrow, because today market is closed and I never teach in closed market. I'll be teaching in the open market only, and you, so that you get the knowledge. And but these videos are for the educational purpose only. I'm not here to um, give you recommendation about any trade. Advise your financial advisor first to execute any trade. These videos are only for educational purpose, because I'm not a SEBI registered person. So this is a disclaimer. Always take your trade, always take your wise decision by discussing with your financial advisor or with your uh, okay. So price is went upside a little bit, it is sideways here. And let's see if it comes down below 66,400. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Price goes up and down, but never, never get fear about the SL and the target. Just wait for the SL or the target. If it goes towards your SL, accept the loss. If it goes towards your target, just trail your SL. Do not book the profit. Just trail your SL and keep trailing your SL until it goes uh, in your favor and in your direction, and it break. If it hits your trailed SL, just accept that profit only. I hope you're getting my point. Trailing SL increases your profit beyond your imagination. So trailing SL is the only way to increase your profit and stay in the good risk to reward ratio. So price is trading here only for a long, for at least around 30 minutes. So we'll be waiting where it is going to go. But uh, but overall, if I talk about the trend is in downtrend, because if you see this chart in the on the hourly chart, so you will get to know that the price is below 200 smas on hourly chart, and it is in the downtrend and making the lower lows and lower highs. And if it is making lower low and lower highs, you'll be trading short side only, will not be going long. Because when you go long in the downtrending market, downtrending stock, uh, you just, if you're going to if you're going long in the downtrending, you'll be losing more and gaining less. But if you go short when the price is falling, when the price is in the downtrend, you'll be losing less and gaining more. And through the trailing SL, you will be gaining more than the people who are trading that particular script with you. Okay, so I hope everything is clear. So if you want to ask anything, just ask in the comment box, and hit the like button, and hit the subscribe button if you have not still subscribed to our channel. So you can see the price is near the resistance, and it has been trading around that level only at least around 30 minutes. So we'll be waiting for that particular price, which is as SL, and the SL is at 66,060, and the target is at around 66,000, and our average price is at 66,600. So we'll be waiting for the price to come down, or we'll be waiting for the SL to be hit. So if the SL is taken out, we'll be booking our SL, or if it goes in favor of our trade, if it come downside, uh, we'll be trailing our SL towards our targets. So I hope everything is clear. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video to each and every person in your friends and family, so that you get the knowledge of order flow and the price action in the live market. So from tomorrow, I'll be sharing the live screen of order flow, uh, and I'll be teaching you how to use order flow, how to read order flow data, how to read delta, what is the delta divergence, and each and everything, each and every concept of the order flow for free in this YouTube live. And you need to understand the concept of the order flow if you want to actively trade the index and any stock in the Indian market, because we always talk about the FII and DIIs, but we never know where they are trading in the live market. Because at the closer of the market, we get the information about the buying and the selling of the FIs and DIIs, but in the live market, we have no idea if the FIs are selling or DIs are buying, or if the FIs are buying and the DIs are selling. So in the live market, if you want to know that, because every there are lots of people in this market, there are lots of institutions in the market, and someone is buying, someone is selling, but the price goes up and down due to the net buying and the net selling. So to know about the net buying and the net selling, you don't need to watch the price. You need to watch the price, but with that, you need to watch the order flow also. So if you're watching the order flow, you are getting the information of the order being executed in the live market by the FIs and DIs in the public, and through that, through the through the net effect of the FIs, DIs, and the public buying and selling, you get the information of net direction. Okay, if the price are going is going upside and the delta is coming down, it means the price the rising price is being sold, and it means that the price is going to fall from the resistance. So this is the whole concept of the order flow, and I'll be teaching you in the live market from tomorrow on Nifty and the Bank Nifty. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button, and watch closely the orders being executed in the live market in Nifty and Bank Nifty from tomorrow. And if you want to ask me about any stock and the index, you can comment me in the chat box, and I'll be analyzing that particular stock, and I'll be telling you the price action analysis. From tomorrow in the live market, you can also ask me anything during the live market. I'll be sharing with you the execution of the trade, how to execute the trade, but for the educational purpose only, of course, because I'm not a SEBI registered person. So I hope you're getting my point. If you want to ask me anything, you just comment in the comment box and subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. So I am taking the pause for 5 minutes. Just watch the price and wait for the price to come down. If it comes down, we'll be trailing our SL, and if it goes upside, we'll be accepting our SL. So for a long period of time, at least around 45 minutes, it is sideways. So let's see what happens. There is some noise in the background, so I'll be back after 5 minutes. You just stay here, and I'll be analyzing this part of the trade with this BTC uh, after 5 minutes. So price has started coming down. So it is sideways. So we are waiting for the price to cross below 66,525.